Good morning. Should you file Form 944 instead of Form 941? Or could you file IRS Form 944 instead of Form 941? So, what is Form 944? IRS Form 944 is employer's federal annual tax return, and Form 941 is employer federal quarterly tax return. So they are both federal employer federal tax return, but Form 944 is annual return, while Form 941 is quarterly tax return. You cannot switch from Form 941 to Form 944 without an approval from IRS. So if IRS requires you or requested that you file Form 941, you should file Form 941. If IRS requested you file Form 944, you should file Form 944. So how do you know what type of form IRS requested you file? You'll need to, if that's the first time you are going to file for your business, you'll need to find the letter you received in the mail from IRS when you apply for your business or your employer identification number. The form will be on that letter. The different type of form you'll file for your business will be on that letter. So if Form 944 is requested, that's what you file. And the difference between the two is that when the federal income tax that you withheld from your employee's income, the Social Security tax withheld, Medicare tax withheld from the employee's incomes or wages, and the employer's portion, when the total of that is less than $1,000 a year, IRS will request you use Form 944. So the determination between the two will depend on how you complete your EIN application form. So you will be asked questions whether you have employees or not, and probably estimate how much your taxes will be in a year. So pretty much in general, when the total tax for the year is going to be more than $1,000, IRS, when it's going to be more than $1,000, IRS will require that you file Form 941, which is a quarterly tax return. So that means every quarter you will complete that form and send it to the IRS to report the tax dollar amount that you withheld and your portion for that quarter. But when the estimation is that your total tax is going to be less than $1,000, IRS will require you file the annual Form 944, and you'll file it only once a year, and you'll file it at the end of the year, which is usually due by January 31st of the following year, filing for the previous year. So you'll file Form 944 for 2021, you'll file it and submit it by January 31st of 2022. So you file only one form for 944 for the year you are filing for, but for Form 941 you'll file it 4 times for 4 quarters, and the last quarter 4, is due by January 31st. Like for November for October, November, December of 2021 for that quarter is due by January 31st, 2022. So don't switch between the two without IRS approval. So if 1 year your total tax liability is more than 1,000 but you are required to file Form 944, you still file Form 944. And IRS, after a certain point, IRS will send you a letter asking you to file quarterly and to file Form 941. And if IRS originally requested that you file Form 941, even if during the year or for the year your total tax liability is less than $1,000, you will file Form 941 every quarter, and IRS will send you a letter in the mail stating that since your tax liability for the year is less than 1,000 to start filing Form 944. So you need to receive that letter in the mail before you make any switch between the two forms. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Afiavi Ojune Liberman, creators of Liberman Consulting and L.L.C YouTube channel and Nina Soap, our blog. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for your comments, and we thank you very much all that subscribe to our channel.